May the Lord bless you and protect you. May the Lord smile on you and be gracious to you. Numbers 6 verses 24 and 25. But blessed are those who trust in the Lord and have made the Lord their hope and confidence. Jeremiah 17 verse 7. The blessing of the Lord makes a person rich, and he has no sorrow to it. Proverbs 10 verse 22. And this same God, who takes care of me, will supply all your needs from his glorious riches, which have been given to us in Christ Jesus. Philippians 4 verse 19. Blessed are those who obey his laws and search for him with all their heart.